I'm the Genius Asian. Welcome to the Genius family.
You can't find the end of a roll of tape? This is a common problem. I will show you the 2 best ways to do this. 1. Use absolutely nothing else. But before I put the tape back in storage, I tear off a small piece, place it across the section. Just pull the small piece next time you use the roll of tape. 2. Use a wire. This is a thin electrical wire. I bend it to form an L shape across the section, loop it around the tape roll to form a ring, and twist together. The L plus ring structure can slide easily on the roll. When you pull the tape, the ring is naturally pushed back. After you cut the tape, the end of the tape will rest on the L-shaped wire. To use it, lift the L-shaped wire, separate the tape from the wire, and the ring is pushed as you pull the tape. My device is better than the commonly used paperclip method, but a paperclip can be easily lost and it does not follow the tape as you pull it. My method 1 is also better than the common folding the end of the tape over, because you waste the end tape every time, while my method can reuse the same tape scrap many times. You may also bend the tape or flip the tape, but your tape may get dirty, so my method 1 or method 2 are still better. What kind of method do you use? Leave comments below. Share your methods here and share my methods with other people. If you want to know how to tear tape so that you don't need scissors, please check out my video, 5 ways to tear packing tape without any tools.
Share this with people who you know that need it. Leave your own genius tips in the comment section below. Don't forget, I'm the Genius Asian. Subscribe for more useful videos.